So hi guys, welcome to the channel. Myself Shubham, currently studying in MD second year in University of Perpetual Help in Philippines. So in today's video, I'll let you know about NMAT, like everything I'll let you know about NMAT because of this online exam. So previously the exam pattern that was there for offline exam, it has changed a lot, okay? Like from the time of the exam to the number of questions that are coming now, totally it has changed, okay? Like also previously in 1 year, like 2 times you could have given NMAT, and now it has changed drastically. You can give around 4 times a year NMAT, and that also in online mode. So I'll give you a recap of all the things that have changed, and I'll let you know about the changes so that you have a better and clear idea before you go and give the NMAT exam in online mode, okay? Basically I had planned this video for members only, but I wanted to do this video and let you know about Target NMAT, which is the NMAT course that I have started yesterday only, and there have been around a lot of members and they have joined my WhatsApp group. So what you can do is to join this Target NMAT, you can join by clicking the join button, and there you can select Target NMAT, and then you can get access to all the perks, and the perks include the sample papers you will get for Target NMAT, you will get members only exclusive videos, you'll get question banks with answers in the WhatsApp group, and then I'll let you know about the tips and tricks how you can clear NMAT easily. And then I'll do Zoom live classes so that if you have any doubt I can clear that, and all the questions that you have about NMAT I'll let you know all the doubts that you have and clear all those. And then I'll also provide you the notes I have about NMAT and the NMAT review materials also. I think this will be very useful for those who will be giving NMAT exam in online mode. And one thing I can say is it isn't a big thing, like you just need 40 percentile, so you can clear it easily, okay? So now I'll let you know about all the changes that have occurred in offline NMAT and in online NMAT. So I'll compare offline NMAT and online NMAT, and I'll let you know about all the changes so that you have a better idea when you go for the exam of NMAT in online mode. So offline mode basically previously was held 2 times a year, that was in March, another one was in October, okay? And that was said that March attempt was a bit easy one and October was a bit tough, but I had given only in October and I had cleared, so I don't have much idea. And then coming to the online exam, this will be held in this October, November and in Jan, and also in April and May. So I think 4 and 5 attempts you have, but I think there is a space of 72 days, then only you can give your second attempt, okay? And then coming to the time difference and the question difference, this is a major difference in NMAT question pattern. Previously we had 160 questions for paper 1, that was of 3 hours, okay? And the paper 2 consisted of 200 questions, that was of 2.5 hours, okay? And now the paper 1 is of 120 questions, paper 2 is also of 120 questions, but the paper 1 is of 2.5 hours, and then the paper 2 is of 1.5 hours. So yeah, the questions have decreased, so it will be very easy if you see, because yeah, previously the thing was the questions were too much, and that was creating a bit of puzzle between the students, because we had to give 2 papers and the break was only of 1 hour, and giving 2 papers simultaneously we don't have that much practice, and yeah, it creates like in the second paper, to be frank, when I was giving, I was half slept only when I gave the paper. So yeah, it's a bit of mental strain giving 2 papers on a single day, but I think the online one is easy because it's of 4 hours total, 2.5 plus 1.5. And then talking about NMAT, okay, I'll talk 5 main points. One is about proctoring, okay? In proctoring, the thing is when you will register, you will pay your payment, and before your exam scheduled dates, like around 2 weeks prior, CHED, which is the conducting body which conducts NMAT, will send you a link of a exam site, like where you will give exam. And I've heard that in Windows laptop only you can give exams, it is not for Mac OS. So yeah, you need to confirm this when you will receive mail from CHED. And the proctoring will be held, suppose it's a laptop, okay, you will be giving the exam here, from the webcam only the proctoring will be held, okay? So I think yeah, it's better, like the proctoring will be done mainly by AI proctoring only. So no audio, means your audio will be on and your video will also be on. And then the total questions now are 120 questions in paper 1 and 120 questions in paper 2. That sums up for 240 questions. And yeah, the passing percentile I've already discussed. It's 40 percentile in all colleges in Philippines, and if you are reading in AMA, so you don't need any NMAT. Okay, like yeah, you can just appear NMAT and you'll get enrolled into MD course. And then coming to paper 1, okay, so in paper 1, first thing is verbal, okay, and each section, verbal or all the sections, have only 30 questions each, and that will sum up for 120 questions. The first section you will get is verbal, second is inductive reasoning, third is quantitative, fourth is perceptual acuity. Okay, these 4 sections. And yeah, one major problem with giving NMAT online is at once all the questions won't appear on your screen. It will be one by one, like number 1 question appears, you answer that, and then again the second question appears. So this is a bit of problem. You can't view all the questions at a time, and you can't select, like if you want to start with perceptual acuity, you can do that. You have to start with verbal because that comes first. This is a bit of problem, but yeah. And then coming to paper 2, so those who are preparing for NIT, it will be very easy for you guys, because the same like biology, physics and chemistry, from these 3, each section will have 30 questions, and these are much easy questions in comparison to NIT. So who are preparing for NIT, I think in September you are going to give NIT, and yeah, it's better if you give NMAT in October. It will be very easy for you because the course is same of 11th and 12th. And then another one extra subject is social science. Okay, in social science the questions will be asked basically from AB psychology and BS biology that will be reading for the start 1 year or 1.5 years, and also there will be some questions about the culture and history of Philippines. But the thing is, yeah, like you can skip. Like the thing is, in paper 1 and paper 2, if you do good in one paper and do correct, like from 120 you go for 70-80 correct answers, then you can easily clear NMAT. Okay, and if you can also clear it by in paper 2, if you don't attempt physics, still you can clear. And you should have this in your mind that there is no negative marks. Okay, so you can attempt all the questions. Like if you don't have time, still you should go and attempt all the questions. So if even you don't have time in the exam, it's better, like I'm giving you this advice, to go and like do all the questions that you have. Even if you don't know, jo bolte hain tukka maro, yeah, you go, you guess, and but still complete all the questions, because if you see the probability of getting more right answers, that increases if you go and do all the questions. Okay, instead of doing half questions and thinking all are correct, you should do all the questions. And if you wish, you can join this NMAT course. Okay, by joining the NMAT course, you will have access to all the perks, and you can also join the WhatsApp group, in which I'll start updating from today evening itself, because yeah, I need to update, I need to give you questions and NMAT review materials. I'll start doing it from today itself. There are already some members who have joined, so you can join this by pressing the join button. So this is it for the video. Thanks, and if you do like the video, do like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And from next, all the videos about NMAT will be coming in only members only, exclusive. There won't be any NMAT videos that will be public like this video. So yeah, this video was just to like let you know about the target NMAT codes. So if you do like the video, do like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.